Hello everyone, this is Gerald. Welcome back to my channel. It's Las Vegas Moto Speed. Today we're going to install windshield on my Yamaha Mt-09 2022 model. Before I start this video, I would like to shout out all my subscribers and viewers out there. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. Shout out all the riders here in Las Vegas and all over.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, I just received my package today. So this is my Mt-09 windshield. It's very helpful because it promotes aerodynamics. So the air is not going to hit on your chest, mostly in your helmet. So let's check it out. The packaging is very nice. So anyways, I bought it in AliExpress, and it's very reasonable than the branded or signature brand. It's pretty much same quality. You know, you don't need to buy expensive stuff just for a piece of windshield, right? Here, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Although I already know it, but so curious about it, how it looks like. It's my windshield for Yamaha Mt-09. Been waiting for this. It's an accessory. It's very functional. The installation I'm going to show you later on. It's, I would say, self-explanatory, okay? It's very simple and easy. So the cost of this is like about or around $20 plus tax. It's not bad. So the packaging is very nice, very impressive. There's no damage on it. There's foam as well to protect the package. Throw that away. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna show it to you and wrap it fresh from the box. You ready, folks? All the moto vloggers and motorcycle enthusiasts. So this is how it looks like inside the plastic. Let's inspect it. So I ordered the smoke one instead of carbon fiber because I think this one is more better, looks sicker, looks dope. So there's 4 holes here where you can mount it and the headlight. So it's gonna look like this. And of course the bracket, you can't install this windshield without a bracket. So there's 2 brackets and some how you call this, bolts, Allen bolts. No scratches. Actually, it's perfect. There's no damage. Inspect it. Very sturdy, or the quality is nice. And we'll install it. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. The bracket should be looking this way. Sometimes it's hard to figure it out. Sometimes it's opposite. So just make sure. Make sure that it's the right way. I guess so. Yes, it's the right way. And let's install the other bracket on the other side. There's also for rubber seal. You need to put it here so it's not gonna leak when it's raining. Okay, as you can see, here's the rubber seal right here. 4 of them. And we'll finally install all the Allen bolts and then just mount it. Gonna be looking that way. So that one is need to tighten it. Super easy, folks. So there's one rubber seal and another plastic that supports the bolt, and then a cover for this bolt. I'm not gonna tie it yet because I need to know. Okay, so that's how it looks like. This is the final result of this installation. All we need to do is just tighten it just right, because you don't want to over tighten it and then it's gonna break. This is plastic, made from plastic. As you tighten it, you can see the rubber seal is actually depressed because of the pressure. So it's tighten it right, it's all good. So I believe this is all good. Okay, and then we're just gonna cover it. Hope it's covered, baby. Let's cover it with this. That's the final installation of my windshield. It's super easy and simple. Um, what can I say? I need to, of course, wipe it. Let's wipe it, baby. This is my baby. Okay, and probably a little smash on the cover. So it's not gonna fall. All right. And I'm gonna ride the bike and show you how it looks like. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Okay, here you go, folks. Let's ride the bike. Whew. It's nice. I like it. So there is actually another one or another version of this which is longer, which is I don't need it because it's gonna look ugly on my bike. This is just right. So it's actually centered perfectly. And you don't need to worry about the wind hitting on your chest. So the purpose of this part or accessory is to promote aerodynamics. So instead the air is hitting on your chest, it's gonna go up to your helmet. So when you do high speed, you're not fighting with the wind. Also, you can just do like this and you're good. And anyways, thank you for tuning for this channel, Las Vegas Moto Speed. I would like to shout out all the viewers and subscribers out there. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can subscribe on my channel. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my latest vlog.